and welcome to Melissa Crafts. Since Halloween is coming up, I'm going to show you how to make a Halloween themed decoration. First, you'll need some markers, scissors, paper, and string. Now let's get started. Yeah! We'll have to draw the pumpkins first, and you'll just have to draw an oval here, half an oval, and another oval. Like that. In the middle oval is the biggest. The rest go smaller and smaller. Since pumpkins aren't all the same shape, you can make small ones and big ones. You will have to make as many as you can on one piece of paper, but if you don't have enough pumpkins on one piece of paper, you can make two. And you'll need the light orange to fill in the pumpkin. You can overlap it because it'll look like it has different shades of color and it'll look cool. And if you cover over the little line and you can't really see it, you could overlap it with your other orange still. Now we'll draw the stems next. They're not like flowers that they have green stems. These are pumpkins, so they have brown stems. And I'm Xing that one out because it's not the best and too small. And next we'll draw some vines. Draw two vines or one. And I'll try to make all of them different vines because nature doesn't have the same patterns. I want to make them as natural as can be. And now you can carve out your pumpkins. I'm doing black because when you carve it out, there's no that much light, so there's just black. You could give them different facial expressions like how you carve out real pumpkins. If you don't have enough pumpkins, you could draw more pumpkins on another piece of paper. Now you have the double amount of pumpkins. Time to cut them out. Now you have your pumpkins cut out, you have to use the string and put it out like this. And if it's only you and no one can help you, you could tape this side on the edge of your table and just do it on both sides so you can work with it by yourself. Flip the pumpkin over and place them beneath the string, and you'll want to place them first instead of taping them at the same time because you might have to replace these pumpkins. And we'll tape the back of the pumpkin so you can't see the tape. And it's okay if the tape's too big for the pumpkin because you could just cut that off. You're done with this section, you can move on to the next section. Now repeat what you just did. The final product of taping all the pumpkins on, and you could put it on a wall or a plant. You could do both of those, or you could just put on a plant, like what I did. I hope you enjoyed today's video and get a lot of candies from trick-or-treating. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween!